Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. This is Ukulele Lady. It's a song from the Roaring Twenties, and you have to really get into the mood of the Twenties in order to sing lines like "Where the tricky wicky wacky woos." But the First World War was over. Things were looking good, at least for some people, and there was an optimism in the air and a light-heartedness, and this is a fun song to sing. It was written by Gus Kahn and Richard Whiting in 1925, and it's been recorded by many artists including Frank Cummett, Bing Crosby, Bette Midler, Peter Sellers, and so on. I'll sing the song through, and then I'll go through the chords. I've seen the splendour of the moonlight in Honolulu Bay. There's something tender in the moonlight in Honolulu Bay. And all the beaches are full of peaches who bring their ukes along. And in the glimmer of the moonlight they love to sing this song. Oh, if you like ukulele lady like you. And if you like to linger where it's shady, ukulele lady linger too. But if you kiss a ukulele lady and you promise ever to be true, when she see another ukulele lady fool around with you, maybe she'll sigh, maybe she'll cry, but maybe she'll find somebody else by and by to sing to, where it's cool and shady, where the tricky wicky wacky woo. If you like a ukulele lady, or ukulele lady like you. She used to sing to me by moonlight on Honolulu Bay. Fond memories cling to me by moonlight, although I'm far away. Someday I'm going where eyes are glowing and lips are made to kiss, to meet somebody in the moonlight and to hear the song I miss. Oh, if you like ukulele lady like you. And if you like to linger where it's shady, ukulele lady linger too. But this song is in the key of F, so you start with an F chord. Then you've got this nice little sequence. It goes from an F chord to an A minor chord to a D minor chord and back to an A minor. You use that chord quite a lot. And then you've got this rather awkward bar chord where you've got a bar at the first fret and a C7 shape. You can see that's a C7, but everything moved up one fret with the bar. If you have difficulty with bar chords, I've done a video on it with some tips that might help, who knows. And then there's another little sequence where it goes from G minor to C7. And we're back to the F, A minor, D minor, 7. In the middle section you've got a B flat, maybe she'll sigh, which requires another bar, again at the first fret, but this time with an A shape. Again you can see that's an A. That's moved up one, so instead of A it's B flat. That's an F. Then G7, maybe she'll find somebody else. C, and then C major 7, then the C7, then you're back to the same sequence as before. Well, it's useful. I hope you found that useful and interesting. It's a fun song. You have to get into the mood, as I say, and sing those rather less usual lyrics. Anyway, whatever you do, however you do it, have fun.